Hey everyone, just gonna try and do a little series here. I have a 96 Cummins. It's got the 5.9 12 valve. It's 3500 two-wheel drive. It's got the MV 4500 manual transmission. Everything's good on it. It's got 316,000 miles, but runs pretty good. Brand new transmission and everything else is good. So had a flatbed on it before this, switch that out. I'm going to be doing a frame swap here, make it a 4x4. So I'm trying to keep the dually. Just going to be taking everything off this truck and putting it on the new frame I got. And on the along the way, I wanted to fix a few issues. Got leaky valve covers. The push rod plate, whatever that's called, is leaking pretty bad. Front and rear main seals leak a little bit. Kind of rusty, but it's overall decent condition. So, grab the keys inside. But here's the inside. Typical dash, like all the rest of them. I'll show you what I got for a frame back here in the backyard. Space is a little tight, so got the new frame. This is off of a 94 2500, but after a lot of research and a lot of measurements, the 3500 and the 2500 frame are identical in pretty much every single way. The only thing different about this one is it's 4x4. This has got the Dana 60 with the whole front suspension along with it. So that truck out there I ended up getting for $3,000. And then this frame I picked up with a set of 4 rims and tires, the front axle, a whole bunch of extras as well, like the air intake horn, brake booster, a bunch of good stuff as well, for $400. So pretty good deal. As long as nobody's gone inside here and switched out the gearing, it should have the same exact gearing as that truck out there, which is the 354 gearing. So right now I'm in the process of cleaning this frame up, getting it painted, and then I just need to get a couple more things before I do the swap. Gonna run it as two-wheel drive for now until I can finish getting the transfer case and new drive shafts. But I think in order to just switch everything over and run this frame as two-wheel drive until I get those, all I'll need is, I think it's just the steering shaft, and that's about it. Everything else should match up. I already went through, measured up. Cab mounts are identical, motor mounts are identical. This used to be a Cummins in here as well, same motor. This is the long bed, so this is gonna fit my bed and everything. The leaf spring hangers are the same length and width. This one's just kind of left over from the old one. So that's pretty much what I got going on with this thing. Like I said, I started prepping it up a little bit. It's coming clean pretty decent. This was where the worst of it was. Just a lot of surface rust, that's about it. Kind of like that right there. Got that cleaned up pretty good. And I got Rust-Oleum tractor paint, low gloss, for this, to do this. I'm a little sidekick here helping out. So I'll keep you guys posted.